So this is like a long welcome back, because I haven't done a video in so long. And honestly, I really don't know why. I just never had that YouTube mode. Like, I just didn't have it. And then like with school and stuff, like it wasn't working out. And like I would record videos and like delete the footage because I didn't like how it came out. So it's like things like that kept happening. And I just hope that this video gets up today, because I'm not gonna delete it. Not today, not right now. No, this is gonna get up. I'm gonna record it, I'm gonna do it. So yeah. So this video is gonna be on how I achieve this head wrap style, because I get a lot of questions more often than not about how I do my head wrap tutorials. My head wrap style. So I wanted to record a video on how I do this one. So hope you enjoy. Alright, so I look high-key crazy, but that's okay, because everyone has their crazy moments. Like, crazy looking moments, but yeah. So right now, this is my hair, just like in twists, because I washed my hair last week, and I just usually keep my hair in twists for like whenever I feel like it. So for head wraps, I usually take hairpins for them, so that this part will lay like flat. Not like perfectly flat, but like somewhat flat. So I just like take a hairpin and then I just pin down. I gather like a couple of twists and then I pin them together so that it can be flat as possible for like my scarf, so that the twists are not bulky all underneath. And yeah, and so after I get them like laid down as much as possible, I usually only get the front to be laid down. I don't really care for the back, but yeah. I get my scarf, and this one is just like one whole scarf. It's like all around a scarf. It's not like a long rectangle. So I just keep it like pulled out and like not folded. And then I take the top part and I fold it inward, so that part of it can be folded in, so that it's not like completely see-through for my hair and stuff, because sometimes I do wear satin scarves under them, which I should be doing now, but whatever. So once I have the inside folded, I just take the part that's folded in, so this part, and then I just keep it like around my hairline / forehead, and then yeah, so I put it over. And I keep it pretty low, because when you pull it and like stretch it and stuff, it'll like push back. So the further you start with, the further it'll go back, like once you start like forming the head wrap. So now I'm just gonna take the two ends, not the two ends, like the two bottom parts by my neck, and then put them together. And then just like fix my ears. And then once I do that, I also like tuck in twists that are like peeping out and stuff. And then I gather the back all in one. And then once I get to that point, I just bring everything to the side and then separate them in two, and then fold them like this and twist them. And then once I twist them, I tuck in all my excess twists and just push them under the scarf. And then once they're all pushed in, I just like start to twist the beginning, and then I twist the whole thing as a whole, all the way to the bottom. And then once I get there, I have like a little tiny piece like that that's left out, and I hold it by that part and just stretch it, and then pull it all the way around. And then I just tuck the end piece like underneath where the lap is. Can I call it lap or like lip? I don't know, whatever. And then I just like pull out whatever part I want to get pulled out. And like this, it happens sometimes, so I just like tuck it in to wherever. And that's it for my tutorial. Thanks for watching. Bye.